Hello and welcome to how to use mcpatcher and um, install a texture pack. So I already installed mcpatcher. To find installation page, you just type in mcpatcher. That's how you spell it. There it is. The link will be in the description. Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. So firstly, you need to download the texture pack. So here, best quality, the best. Defined is a cool texture pack. Did it seriously just delete the page? Okay, whatever. So while it's downloading, we don't do anything. While it's downloading, we close this. Right, okay, I'm going to press show in folder. Defined, here we go. The link for this texture pack will also be in the description below. Yeah, it's quite, that for me looks quite nice, I like it. The crop looks cool. Stronghold looks cool. Ores are amazing. Armor, I'm not too much of a fan of a helmet. And it goes on and on for each different mods. Quite cool. Okay, enough of that. You need to press your start button on Mac. Well, search for a Mac video if you have Mac. You need to type in %app data %. Press enter. This will open. You need to click .minecraft. It should be in roaming. If it isn't, it might bring you to this page. If it's in this page, you just click roaming. Then you find .minecraft. It might be down, whatever. Get up. Click it. Then there's a texture pack. There, you need to find this. I already have faithful, but doesn't really matter. Where's it? There. Supposedly. Okay, copy or Control V. Easier Control V or C actually. But for paste is Control V or right click and paste. So defined. After that, we need to use mcpatcher on it. Better cross. Nah. So patch. It should take a while, not too long. There. Now let's close it. Yeah. Okay. Let's open Minecraft. Picture packs defined. It should be in here. So that's it, folks. I'll be doing a texture pack showcase later. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.